Hey there, welcome to our kitchen. Today we've got a chicken wing recipe that's going to blow all of the chicken wings away. These are going to be finger licking good and perfect for your Super Bowl party. We promise this is better than any other takeout wings. What's better, they're oven baked. You don't need to guzzle up a gallon of oil for this recipe. We're going to begin with 2 pounds of chicken wings. In the bowl, we're going to season them with 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, and 1 tablespoon of cornstarch or potato starch, whatever is lying in your pantry. Using your hands, give them a thorough mix, ensuring there's an even distribution and coating on each wing. Next, we're going to grab a baking tray with a wire rack and place our wings skin side up, making sure they're evenly distributed and spaced apart. This now goes into the fridge for about 3 to 4 hours. Quick tip, place them in the bottommost shelf to avoid any salmonella contamination. It's now been about 4 hours since my wings have been in the refrigerator, and these now go into a 450-degree oven which has been preheating. These will cook for 25 minutes on one side, and then you're going to take them out, flip the wings, and cook them for another 20 minutes. Now time to make the most delicious wing sauce of all time. In a heavy bottom pan on low heat, add in 4 tablespoons of butter and 2 tablespoons of garlic. Allow the butter to melt and the garlic to infuse its flavor into it gradually while whisking constantly. Once the butter has melted and the garlic has softened, in goes about 6 tablespoons of Frank's RedHot sauce. This is a standard for buffalo wings. Let the hot sauce and butter emulsify while you whisk constantly. Next, it's time to introduce a quarter cup of freshly grated Parmesan into it. Use the good stuff if you can, it makes a world of a difference. Whisk this slowly into the sauce. As the Parmesan melts, the sauce begins to get thicker. My wings are now out of the oven and my fire alarm went off too. Here, if you can visually see, these wings turned out perfectly crispy on the outside and juicy on the inside. Place your wings into a bowl for mixing with the sauce. Add in as much or as little sauce as you like. Don't be shy though, let them swim in that buffalo garlic parmesan goodness. Now toss the wings with the sauce in the bowl to coat each and every piece of wing generously with that delicious and silky sauce. Finally, now plate your wings and garnish them with a little bit of chopped up parsley just for appearances. And there you have it, the best oven roasted wings with the most delicious 2 wing sauces in the world, all combined into one. And that's it folks, our buffalo garlic parmesan oven baked wings are ready to steal the show at your Super Bowl party. The perfect balance of spice, garlic and cheesy goodness. If you enjoyed this recipe, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to share it with your friends. Subscribe for more culinary adventures and we'll catch you in the next episode.